Good evening everybody, I am Manav and in this video we are going to discuss about set. This chapter belongs to class 11th maths and if I talk about chapter wise, this is the first chapter in NCERT. So in this video we are going to discuss this topic of math, and this is really, we can say it is a base of mathematics. So we are going to discuss base of mathematics sets. And you're not gonna face any difficulty while understanding this chapter because this chapter is too much easy. In this chapter you'll not have to face root, square root and many other things. So let's begin with the topic sets. So first, how to define a set? And what is a set? So set is a collection of things which belongs from a same topic, from a same field. For example, days in a week. We can make set of them. Yes, we can. A second one, 12 months in a year. Set. Different models of phone, different companies, industries. Those they produce their mobiles. We can make a set. Numbers, integers, positive integers. We can make set of numbers also. I mean positive integer, negative integer, divisor of 2, all this thing, multiple of 2. Yeah, so for example, positive integers. There is no end of positive integers. We can also take the example of negative integers. So how to handle that situation? How to handle it? To handle that situation in which we don't have finite number of elements. I'm gonna question that what is an element? Element is that number, is that term which is in your set, in your particular set. January. That January, that word, that term is element of a particular set. Yeah. Let's move and continue this video. And let's move to how in the first exercise, the exercise that is given in NCERT, is that there will be a set of that particular thing. So how to find this? Let's take example of stars. Stars. You'll have to you have got a project to write to make a set of all the stars. You cannot make it. So there is no set exist of the names of stars in this whole universe. Because you cannot write them. You are just writing. There are millions of stars, billions of stars, trillions of stars, quadrillions of stars. How are you gonna make set of names of stars? So such type of sets, that does not exist. Yeah, this is reality. That does not exist. You cannot make the set of such values. Those are infinite. Now you're gonna do that. Let's suppose I have this diary and you have a project to write all the names of stars in this universe. All the pages of diary will get finished, but the name will not. Yeah. So such type of terms like write the names of star, these type of set does not exist in this world. This is reality. So in our first exercise in NCERT, there are many examples, many questions that we'll have to tell that this term, for example, names of student in your class. You can make the set of the student names in your class. Yes, absolutely, you can make. Because they are not stars. They are not star, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Maximum of 50 student might be there in your class. Maximum. So that 50 is a finite number. So you can easily write. The names by adding the commas. And while making set in the elements and between elements, you'll have to put commas. And there are two ways to write our set. I'm gonna tell you them one by one. But before going to that topic, let's discuss some more examples. Let's suppose countries on earth, in our world. You can make? Yes, you can. You can make. I don't know the real figure of the countries in the world. I think 165 and around this value. So you can make the set of the names of the country in this world. Yes, this is possible. But that is a little difficult. And as I already told you that writing or making a set of the names of stars in this universe. Or not in this universe. Let's suppose only in our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy. Will you be able to do that? No, that is impossible. So that's why such type of set does not exist. Yeah. Now after this, let's take another example. We can take example of names of people in our world. Any irrelevant. Can you do it? Can you do this? I think not. But you can do one thing. Writing the names of the student in your school. Writing the name of the student whose name starts from letter A. Yes, you can do that thing. That is possible. Or the set of vowels in English. Set of vowels in English. Is that possible? Yeah, there are only 5. And 5 is a finite value, so you can easily do this. But for infinite, There is any solution? There is? I'll say yeah, but not for names, but for numbers. How? Let's suppose you'll have to write counting the positive integers, all the positive integers. So first you'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And after that you will start, you will put some dots after 12 or after any other figure. Dot, 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 5, 6 dot. And then make it close with curly bracket. Now after this we have an important topic, that is different ways to write set. First is roster form, second is set builder form. First is roster form, second is set builder form. Now I want to share one thing, that roster form is easy. I'm not saying that set builder form is then too much difficult, impossible. No, that is also simple, but from my experience, from my personal experience, I think so that roster form is little simple than our set builder form. So should I tell you about first I'll tell you about roster form. In roster form, what you'll have to do, you'll just have to write the elements. First, let's suppose the name of your set is A. A is equal to curly bracket, and let's suppose right now, we are making a set of the days in a week. So first I write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. And between or after the end of our name or the name of the particular day, you'll have to put comma. Now one question must be arising in your mind, that why only curly bracket we'll have to use in sets, meaning roster form. So the answer is that in a basic of mathematics, mean tools of mathematics, integration, calculus, differentiation, we have learned when we are writing the names or the values and we are putting the commas. So at that time we'll have to use curly brackets. This is a rule. So that's why we use curly bracket in roster form or in making a set. Curly bracket are like this. We have a small bracket like this. You'll have to make like this and roll it like this. This is our curly bracket. And I hope the reason behind that why we use curly bracket is clear to you. Yeah. Now let's move to our second form of writing this sets is set builder form. In set builder form, you don't have to write elements, putting comma. No, you'll not have to do that thing. What you'll have to do is you will write x and sign of ratio, but that is such that it means such that this sign, one dot and then second dot, x such that x is a vowel of English language. Now it is a vowel of English language. So we will write all the vowels. And you'll not have to write all the vowels. You'll just have to write that thing. And this whole sentence will be packed with small brackets. I think not. And this is how this whole sentence is our set builder form. Now, after this, after our we have learned two forms to write set. All right. Now we are going to learn about different types of set. We have null set, finite set, infinite set, subset, power set. Shall we start? Yeah, let's start. Let's begin with our null set. Null set is that set which don't have any element, which it doesn't contain any element. Such type of sets are known as null set, valid set, yeah. And the sign or any notation for this, a circle, a small circle, and a line like this. And this notation is known as phi. 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 So the notation for null set is phi. Yeah. After learning null set, now I'll continue this video. And now we are going to learn about finite and infinite set. Finite set. Let's talk about finite set. Finite set is that set. It is that type of set which contain finite number of elements. Which contain finite numbers of elements. Which can be counted. They are not infinite. For example, days in a week, or the number of months which have 31 days, names of months in an year. So such type of sets are known as finite set. After the finite set, let's learn about infinite set. The infinite set is it is clear with this term infinite, that which contain infinite number of elements. For example, counting, or then positive integers, set of positive integers. Yeah, that is our infinite set. Names of stars in our universe, infinite set. After the infinite set, we have equal set, which have the same elements in the another set. We have two sets, A and B. Now this topic will be clear through this example. We have two set, A and B, and A has element ABC and B has element ABC or BCA. So the elements are equal, they are same, and such type of sets are known as equal set. Yeah. Now I am coming to the most important topic, that is subset. The subset is that set which contain the same elements of the another set. Now you're gonna say that equal set and subset are same. No. I'll give you an example. We have two sets, A and B. A contains three elements ABC and B contains ABCD. So three elements that the RA contain is totally equal. I mean, they are totally same to the B set. So this means A is a subset of B set. And null set is our what I was going to say. Yeah, that null set is the subset of every set. Yeah, it is a subset of every set. And there is a notation that is like this. Opposite C and a line, small line. This means belongs to. It sounds like belongs to. So what does it mean? That A has three elements totally same as to B set. So we'll say, no. I said it wrong. For example, A is an element. A is an element, single element, and B is a set. And in B, we have A, B, C. So A belongs to B, as there is A in B set, and there is also A as single element. So we'll say A belongs to B, and we'll use that sign. We're not gonna write belongs to. We will write that sign. Yeah. Now let's take an example of a set. Set name is A, and we have two elements, 2 and 3. So what will be the subsets of this set? First 5, mean null set. After that A, 3, and last the same 2 and 3. Now equal set is also a subset of a set, and the collection of subset is known as power set. So I hope, friends, you understand our today's topic. I have completed my topic, and I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, stay connected with me. Thank you very much.